So I'm making this video after 7 years of experience in quantitative trading and helping more than 2000 plus finance professionals to become a quant trader. So in this video, I'm going to help you with the basic questions. Okay, nothing too in depth, nothing too fancy. So the first question most of our people ask to us, like, what is the tangible outcome if we learn quant trading from Fessor Pro? So I'm not going to bore you with bunch of features, but will help you what are the things which are the basic things that we cover in the program. The first thing and the most important thing is learning Python from basic to advanced. To learning Python from basic to advanced, you don't need to have any prior coding experience. We cover that in our program itself with complete hand holding, and of course you have to code live with us. Second, you should learn data manipulation, visualization, and data scraping with us. It's a very essential part of quant trading that you should get the most authentic source of data, and if you have one, how to use it properly. That also, it's very essential part. The third thing is backtesting that most of the people miss out on. Backtesting is a really helpful tool. When you do a backtesting of your strategy, let's say, for example, you're working in an investment bank, okay? You just don't go with your gut feelings. You have to make a proper report before deploying any strategy or even to start work on any particular strategy. A backtesting results, like how this strategy could perform, how it will perform, like that. And simplest do that. So in this video, I'm going to just cover the basic. These are the things that you need to learn if you are on this journey by yourself. And if you need our help to learn these things from basic to advanced and call yourself a quant trader in next 4 months, you can comment down below demo and I'll help you with a complete free guide how you can do it by yourself.